So this is my room 114. But fucking tough, guys. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new vlog. So I'm at TAJ right now, TAJ Coromandel in Chennai, and as you can see this beautiful property. So guys, I checked in here yesterday. I couldn't actually vlog because I was too late and too tired. I checked in around 2 a.m. here, and today I'm going to show you all about how the hotel is. Actually, it's one of my first times in this hotel too, so I'm not really sure what all new things am I going to see here. But yeah, since yesterday, whatever I've seen, it's pretty much grand, guys. This is actually the basement here, which you all can see, and it's an amazing place. The way each and everything is crafted around here, it pretty much says Taj. So for a basement, I feel it's too good, man, too good. So I'll be covering things like these in this hotel, so stay tuned. So now I'll quickly show you all the pool area. I'm heading to the pool area right now. So that's the pool, guys. It's an amazing pool. Me and my colleagues, we just went in when we came. So my room number is 114. Just look at this, guy. This is so pretty. This is my room 114. And I'll quickly give you all a room tour. As soon as you'll enter, this is the key card where you'll place, for those of you who don't know. This is the bathroom. I will show you all this later. Basically, this is the room. The TV here. That's a study lamp, which you can. Too good, man. It's a study lamp. That's the balcony kind of a thing. It's a balcony, and that's your bed, king size bed. Quickly switch on all the lights for the lighting. This is basically the control panel for the room, where you can switch on all the lights and fidget. See? Let there be light, God said, and there was. That's the balcony. You can also open these curtains with this button. I'll show you. This is so cool, man. You press this, it gets shut. It's one of the coolest things I've seen at Taj. See, as soon as I press this, it opens automatically. This is literally one of the coolest things I've seen here. About the view outside, I'm not sure. I have not yet seen what is outside, but if you all can see, there's nothing much actually. There's nothing much, honestly. What you get inside is, along with the room, what all amenities you get, I'll quickly show you. So basically you'll get laundry. You'll get complimentary laundry, actually 5 pieces. Correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not sure, but I was allowed 5 pieces here. This is a iron, for those of you who want to. So these are the hotel room slippers, the ones that I'm wearing right now. And that's a shoe shine. Basically, this is your wardrobe. That's a bathroom. And I'll quickly show you all the bathroom area. So this is the bathroom area where there's a bath fucking tub, guys. There's a bathtub here. That's a pot. That's the shower area. And I wish my home had so many buttons. You also have this fancy shower where it feels like a rain dance in it. Yeah, that's about it. This soap, guys, this is one of the best soaps I've had a bath with. Luxury butter soap. It literally smells luxury. So that's about it from my room, guys. If I have anything else in the hotel that I see which is interesting, I definitely will add it up to the video ahead. But until then, thanks for watching and God bless.